Okay, so the first thing we need to do is install the Instagram app onto our mobile device. Then go ahead and sign in or sign up. So what we're going to do is create a fresh account to show you how to turn your regular Instagram account into a business Instagram account. So what I'm going to do is select sign up with phone or email. Then simply enter your phone number or simply enter in your email and then click next. Or you can choose to sign up with Facebook. For the purpose of today's tutorial, what we're going to do is create a fresh account with an email address. Then all you need to do is locate the confirmation code. For us, it was sent to our email, then click next. Then here, what you want to do is go ahead and add your name. Now, because we're creating a Instagram business account, we want to add our business name in here. And for the purpose of today's tutorial, what we're going to do is create a cafe business called Cool Cats Cafe. Then once you've added your business name, click next. Here you just want to add a password and then click next. Then here you have the option to allow your device to remember your login information. Then go ahead and add your date of birth. We're just going to go ahead and add a date of birth now. Then click next. Here you want to add a username. This is your unique username that people can use to locate your Instagram account. What you want to do is make sure that your username resembles your business name. Try different variations until you get a green tick and then click sign up when you're happy with your username. And then what we want to do is skip this step for now. You can connect to Facebook later on if you like. We're also going to skip search our contacts. And then here what we want to do is add a profile photo. So this is going to be our logo for our business that we made earlier with Canva. If you want to learn more about creating a logo for free, if you don't already have one, what I'll do is link a beginner's tutorial up above and down below in the description that will guide you through how to create your own logo. Then once you've added your logo, choose if you'd like to share this photo as a post. We're going to turn that off and click next. Here you can discover people by following other accounts on Instagram. We're going to skip this, and then we're also going to click not now because we don't want to find anyone at the moment. And as you can see, we've created our Instagram account. Now what we want to do is actually convert this Instagram account into a business account. To do that, head over to your profile and then click the three lines in the top right hand corner. Then come down and click settings. Then come down and click on account and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and select switch to professional account. Then what you want to do is navigate through this process, click continue again. Basically it's just sharing what you can do with the business account, just like we explained at the beginning of this tutorial. And then here what you want to do is select a category that best describes your business. So what we're going to do is type in cafe because we're creating a business account for a cafe. Then we're going to select cafe. So take the time to identify the right option for you and then select display on profile because you want to show people visiting your account what your business is. And this gives it a more professional feel. Then come down and select either business or creator. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, we're creating a business Instagram account for a local cafe. So we're going to select business and then come down and click next. Here you want to add your public business information that you want people to be able to see that is going to be displayed on your Instagram account. So go ahead, add your business information, then click next. Then here you have the option to connect with Facebook. For now, what we're going to do is skip this step, but later what you want to do is connect your Facebook business page with your Instagram business account. If you're not too sure how to do this, what I'll do is link a beginner's tutorial up above that will show you how to link the two together. Then simply navigate up to the top right hand corner, exit out of this, and here we are, you have created your Instagram business account. Okay, now we're not quite finished. What we need to do to finish setting up our business account is click on Edit Profile. And this is going to allow us to add important information about our business on our Instagram profile. For example, you can see we have our name, we have our username, then we can choose to add pronouns if we like, but because this is a business, we're going to leave that blank. Then what you want to do is add your website and add a brief bio about your business. So take the time to fill out this information. Then below public business information, we have the option to connect or create a Facebook business page. We can also change the category, add additional contact options, as well as edit our profile display, meaning we can choose to show contact information or not. Now under contact options, we can add our business email address, business phone number, business address, and our WhatsApp business phone number if you use one. So go ahead and take the time to add your public business information that you want to show on your account. Once you've done that, navigate back and click on Profile Display. This is where we want to make sure that Display Contact Info is on, and this allows visitors to get in touch with us via our contact options that we added under Contact Options. And then just like that, once you've added all your business information, simply click Done, and that's going to take you back to your profile. And now you can start engaging with your audience through your Instagram business account. You can also see insights to see how your account is performing. So I hope you got value from this video. I hope you managed to follow this process of creating a business Instagram account.